New day, new hope. I hope you are all enjoying it. Today's video's tutorial, we will discuss how to fix Valorant login issue. There can be various reasons for this, such as DNS bugs, misconfigured internet settings, firewall blocking, or even anti-vanguard glitches. Not to mention potentially problem related to your Valorant account and configuration issues. So let's briefly explain each issues. The number one, DNS bug. This can occur if there is a problem with the domain name system settings, which is responsible for translating human readable web addressing into a IP addresses that computer understand. So I'll just open the command prompt, the easiest solution for this. And here you need to type ipconfig / renew. Once you apply this command, now once again ipconfig/release, and now ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/ no, not register one. Now we need to again renew it, so it will deactivate your internet. And once it's deactivate, now ipconfig/register DNS. And that's it. After applying these commands, now simply you can start the Valorant by administratorly. So might be this will fix your problem. Simply search Valorant, right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, now let's move. If this is not working for you, now internet not configured properly. This issue arises when your internet settings are not properly configured, preventing Valorant from establishing a stable connection to its server. So the easiest method for this, make sure this icon is look like this, the monitor one, not the global one. And if it's global one, then go into the change adapter options. Once you over here, now you can see internet, right click on it and disable it. Once you disable, just re-enable it, and might be this will fix the issue. But in case if it's not working, then right click on it and click on the diagnose, so it will detect the problem. If there's any problem will appear, it will fix for you. I'm not doing or performing this section right now. One more thing you can do here, just double click on it, go into the properties and find here the IPv4, go into the properties and select obtain DNS server address automatically and obtain an IP address automatically. And also check this option, automatic private IP address. Hit OK. Also check for IPv6, the same settings, and hit OK. That's it. If there's nothing like that, this might be not the problem. So let's move on to step number 3, firewall blocking. Firewalls can sometimes block Valorant connections attempts, mistaken them for potentially harmful activities. Adjustment may be needed to allow Valorant to communicate properly. So the first thing is, first we need to clarify that the firewall actually blocking your Valorant. For that, just click on this arrow and then open the Windows security system. Now go into the virus and threat protections. Sorry, my bad. Find here the firewall and network, and now here you need to check which one is activated. Now in my case it's public active. Just go over there and turn this off, and after turning this off, just launch your Valorant, and might be this will fix your problem. But make sure first close it properly from here, like there's no Riot client is running at all on your background or Valorant, and then launch it again. So after doing this, if your Valorant is running properly, then that's great. So what you can do here, allow an app through firewall. Just go over there and allow the application, allow another app, browse and add your Valorant over here. Just go into the Riot client, games, live, Valorant. So this is how actually you can fix the problem. Or you can just simply restore firewall to the default. So this will fix your problem. Now anti-vanguard glitch. In case if you are getting the anti-vanguard glitch, anti-vanguard is a Riot anti-cheat system for Valorant. Sometimes glitches or conflicts may prevent it from running as intended, leading to login issues. So the easiest solution, you can just install your Vanguard. Just click over here and then Riot client, more, uninstall it. Once you uninstall, just restart your computer and launch the Riot. This will install Vanguard automatically in a few seconds. It's around 1 GB or less than, so don't worry, it will not take your time. After reinstalling, your problem should be fixed 100%. One more thing you can do here, probably the anti-vanguard is the reason. So your problem should be fixed after applying the vanguard issue reinstallation process. The last thing, go into the users, then the account that you have created, and then vertical slash app data, then local, and find here the Valorant. Just right click on it and delete this. So basically this will delete all the logs and configuration settings of your Valorant accounts. So later on you can just relog in your accounts and your problem should be fixed 100%. So these are the main topics, guys. Hopefully your problem should be resolved 100% after applying these issues. Just let me know if your problem has been fixed or not. If not, then let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you further. But I hope this will fix your problem. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Have a good day. Bye bye.